First, log into elexbig.com and click on the Vendor Dashboard menu in the sidebar. This is your vendor dashboard. It features 3 widgets at the top. The first shows total orders, the second shows revenue, and the third displays total products. Below these, you will find 2 more widgets for sales reports and your earning, followed by the recent orders table and the top selling products table. In the sidebar, you can also view your total balance and the vendor menu. Clicking on the Your Store link will open your store in a new tab where you can view all your listed products. You can also see your account balance and explore the complete dashboard menu, which will be explained in this video. Start by clicking on the Settings menu. Fill in all your store information across the 3 tabs. Now, click on the Products menu. Here, you have multiple options. First, Export. Use this option to export your products into CSV or Excel format. Second, Import. Upload an Excel or CSV file to import products in bulk. Third, Create Products, where you can create either physical or digital products. And lastly, use the Reload button to refresh your product list. Next, you have Specification Groups, where you can create your product specification groups. Followed by Specification Attributes to create the product's specification attributes. You can also create the specification tables by clicking on this menu. The Orders menu is important, where you can see all your order details. In the Order Returns menu, if someone creates an order return request, you will see and manage it from here. In the Shipments menu, you can manage shipped orders and change their status to delivered or cancelled. From the Coupons menu, you can create discount coupons for your products. From the Withdrawals menu, you can create a withdrawal request to get your balance into your account. In the Reviews menu, you can see and manage reviews from your customers. In the Revenues menu, you can see all transaction history. And finally, you can go back to the customer dashboard by clicking this menu. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. God bless you. Be always happy. Goodbye.